Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about my voice, I am getting over a cold. Today I am doing a getting ready for Easter video, and this will include house decor and a fun kids project, and also what I'm going to be getting ready on the day of Easter. Of course I recorded this beforehand, but this is actually what I'm going to be wearing and everything, so I hope you enjoy. I'm going to start by making something to hang on my door. So I'm going to start off by tracing this cross. I am not doing the heart part and just doing the cross. And then I'm going to cut it out and use it as a stencil. And with white paint, I'm going to be painting that in for the shape of a cross. Then I'm going to paint Happy Easter right below the cross, and I got some help from some stencils, of course. I added a few embellishments to the cross just to spruce it up a little bit. I'm taking an old wrapping paper tube and I'm putting it through the burlap. I folded it over, and then I'm taking some twine and I am putting that through the tube, and I'm tying that at the top, and then I turn it around so that you can't see the tie, and I put the tie inside the tube, and then I just hang that on my door, and that is done. Very, very easy. Next, I'm going to be putting some flowers for my front porch, and I got this vase from Hobby Lobby. It was just really cool and rustic and kind of the look I was going for, especially with the burlap and everything. And I just got a bunch of white flowers, and these are real flowers. Later on I will be using fake flowers, but for the outside I wanted to have real. And at this point you could just arrange it however you like. I just took my time and did what I thought would look best. Next I tied a burlap ribbon around the vase, and then I hot glued it in the middle to make it look like a bow. And then also my grandma had some buttons laying around, and I thought it would be a nice little touch to put a button in the middle, and it just pulled the whole thing together. To go with the flowers on the porch, I'm going to be making a basket of glitter eggs. So I got these fake eggs from Hobby Lobby. You can also use real eggs and blow them out, but I didn't know how to do that and I didn't want to mess it up, so I just got these fake eggs, put some glue on them, and then put glitter on them. And this was actually way harder than I thought. So they didn't turn out perfect, but they're still really pretty. And you can do different designs. I do half an egg, I do polka dots, and an H for Horton that you'll see here in a minute, and I just had fun with it. So next I got this basket, and I'm just going to be putting moss all on the bottom of it. And then I'm going to be placing the eggs in there. And I don't think I show this, but I do tie some twine at the top of the basket just for an extra little touch. And this will just go really cute with next to the flowers on the porch. Next, I'm going to be making a centerpiece for my table, and I got this glass dome from Hobby Lobby. I got everything from Hobby Lobby. And then also I got this pre-made nest. I am going to be embellishing it a little bit more. I wanted it a little bit more colorful, and I added some extra special touches to it. So here you'll just see I have a bunch of just fake flowers, and I cut it off and just place it wherever I think would look best. And I do this with a few different colors. I did add a butterfly and a couple of birds. I just thought it'd be so cute to have a couple little critters in there and have it look a little bit more alive. So I'm just going to place that in the center of my table, and then I also got a candle holder and a vanilla scented candle. That is my favorite scent, and that is my centerpiece. Now for some colorful decorations around the house, I got some mason jars, again from Hobby Lobby, and some paint, and I am painting them different spring colors, just bright colors that will light up the room. And I just painted them. Oh, and my daughter wanted to help, so she thought it was so fun to paint these. And so I'm just going to paint, I got 3 of them, and then I am putting some fake flowers in there. You can put real if you want, but I didn't want to have to keep going back to the store every week to replace them, so I did fake for these ones. I really was looking for some cool kids projects to do that my daughter would really like. Since she's still so little, it's hard to do different projects, but I saw this on Pinterest and I thought that this was just an amazing idea. I am tracing out an egg shape, and then I got some different colored buttons, and I sat her down next to me and we put some glue. Well, I put the glue on the paper, and then I told her where to place the buttons, and she would just put the buttons on there, and she absolutely loved it. She loved playing with the buttons. She loved placing them on there where I said. She definitely placed them on other places too, but she really loved this project, and it turned out so cute. And when we were done, I ended up putting it in a frame and putting it in her bedroom as a decoration for Easter. Now I'll be showing you what I'm going to do to get ready for Easter. I am going to take my MAC Select Cover Up Concealer, and this is in the shade NW15, and I'm going to be putting that underneath my eyes to brighten up my eyes. I'm going to be doing a very simple look today, and that is just because I wanted to look very natural and didn't have to worry about my makeup all day while I'm cooking Easter dinner and just spending time with family. So I wanted it to be a very natural and simple look. So I'm just blending that in with my beauty sponge. Then I'm going to take my Bare Minerals Original Foundation, and I am in the shade Fair Ivory 2. And the way I apply this is I pour some in the lid, and then I dab the brush in, and then I tap the excess off. With this foundation, I really like to go on light and then build it up so that it doesn't look cakey. To make my eyes look more awake, I am going to be putting my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara on my lashes, and I'm going to be doing my bottom lashes first and then my top. I'm taking my Clinique Blushing Blush Powder Blush in the shade Precious Posy, and I am putting that on the apples of my cheeks and then taking it back just a little bit. Now I'm taking my Amore Matte Lip Cream by Milani, and I'm going to be putting that all over my lips. And it is very matte, so I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to do my eyebrows. I have a whole tutorial on eyebrows, so I'm just going to skip over that part, and I will have my eyebrow tutorial linked down below. Now that my lips have dried, I'm going to be putting this really pretty baby pink lip gloss all over my lips just to give it that extra pop of pink for Easter. For my hair, I'm going to keep it simple and just curl it all over, and I really want this look just to be easygoing, like beachy waves, and not perfect at all. Once I'm done curling my hair, I'm going to take my Pantene hairspray, and I'm going to spray that all over my hair just to make sure my hair holds the curl. I have been waiting all winter to bring out these shoes. These are my favorite spring and summer wedges, and they're just a bright coral pink, and I love them, so I thought this was the perfect time to bust them out. I'm also going to be wearing my pearls that my husband got me for Christmas. They are just so elegant, and I thought they were just perfect for Easter. So this is going to be my look for Easter, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!